his cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
She chewed her grass and gave a bow.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo moo soft and a moo moo loud, she'd moo her song to every crowd. Old MacDonald loved his cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald's sheep were wool.
E-I-E-I-O.
Fluffy, white, and soft and full.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a baa baa here and a baa baa there, here a baa, there a baa, fluffy wool to share. Old MacDonald's sheep were wool.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a pup.
E-I-E-I-O.
He wagged his tail and jumped right up.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a bark, there a bark, running everywhere. Old MacDonald had a pup.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald's pig like mud.
E-I-E-I-O.
He rolled around with a happy thud.
E-I-E-I-O.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, snorting in the sun without a care. Old MacDonald's pig like mud.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald's duck could dance.
E-I-E-I-O.
She flapped her wings and took a prance.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, waddling with joy through the farmyard air. Old MacDonald's duck could dance.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald loved them all.
E-I-E-I-O.
On his farm, both big and small.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo bow woof,
Oink and Quack, they sang a song and danced right back.
Old MacDonald loved them all.